Division wishes you a happy birthday. Happy birthday, VP Sara. Happy birthday, VP Sara. God bless you po from Budget Division. From your Cash Division family, wishing Vice President Sara G. Duterte a happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Mommy and Dad! We wish you good health and happiness! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you!
Mula sa Disaster Operations Center, Vice President Inday Sara Duterte,
Happy birthday!
Ma'am, happy 46th birthday from your fellow colleagues here at SIDAT, and we would like to take this opportunity to express our sincere appreciation for your leadership and guidance to us. And your dedication and support inspires us all to improve ourselves and to make things better, not only here at the organization, but also for our fellow Filipinos. And we're truly grateful to have this opportunity to work under your supervision and to work with our colleagues here at the OVP. So we wish you a day filled with joy, happiness, and a year ahead filled with continued success and continued good health. So maraming salamat po. Happy birthday, ma'am.
Happy birthday, ma'am.
Happy birthday, ma'am!
More birthdays to come.
Thank you for the love.
Thank you for the lunch.
God bless po.
Happy birthday, VP Sara! God bless you po!
Happy birthday, VP Sara from GST!
Happy Community ay bumabati ng isang maligayang kaarawan.
sa pangalawang Pangulo ng Pilipinas.
Ingatan nawa kayo ng may kapal.
Happy birthday, VP Sara! Happy birthday, VP Sara! Stay healthy and fat from your Knowledge Management Division family. Isa pa!
Happy birthday, VP Sara.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, VP Sara from Legal Affairs Division. Yay!
Happy and blessed birthday, VP Sara! Wishing you and your family good health, joy, and success in all your endeavors. We love you!
Happy birthday, VP Sara. We wish you all the best. Soar high! Happy birthday, VP! Thank you for the love and the gifts of your life to the Filipino people. Enjoy your day!
Happy birthday, ma'am. May God bless you and more blessings to come. Amping perminti, ma'am.
Mula sa Planning Division, binabati po namin kayo, VP Sara, ng maligayang kaarawan. At maraming salamat po sa pagsisilbi niyo sa mamamayang Pilipino. Shukran!
Happy birthday, VP Sara from the Public Assistance Division! To our beloved Vice President Honorable Sara Z. Duterte, from your SPD family, we wish you good health and happiness. Happy birthday!
Salam. Ma'am Inday, your OVP Barn family wishes you
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Maria! Happy birthday to our esteemed Vice President Sara Z. Duterte. Your leadership and dedication inspires us all. Wishing you a day filled with joy, Happy birthday from Bicol Satellite Office. We wish you all the best in life. We love you. Happy, happy birthday, VP Sara.
Happy birthday to our beloved Vice President Inday Sara. We wish you more power, success, and happiness. We love you.
Patuloy na magsiservisyo para sa Diyos, para sa bayan, at sa pamilyang Pilipino.
Happy birthday, Vice President Inday Sara Duterte from Virenay SO.
Eric Abon sa Bacolod. Happy birthday kay Vice President Inday Sara.
To our beloved Vice President Inday Sara Duterte, I would like to wish you a happy birthday. May God continue to bless you with good health, the strength and will and perseverance to serve the Filipino people. Mabuhay po kayo and may God bless you always.
On behalf of the OVP Pangasinan Satellite Office and myself, we would like to extend our warmest birthday greetings to you, ma'am. Your leadership and dedication have been a source of inspiration to many, including us here in Pangasinan. May your special day be filled with joy and be surrounded by your loved ones. Your unwavering commitment to serving the Filipino people is truly commendable and deeply appreciated. Your vision and compassion have touched countless lives, and we are grateful for your leadership. Happy birthday po, Ma'am VP. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Vice President Sara Duterte, from your Pangasinan Satellite Office family. Yay!
Desde el Western Mindanao Satellite Office,
Feliz cumpleaños, Vice Presidente Sara Duterte.
To Vice President Sara Z. Duterte of the Office of the Vice President, daghan kayong salamat ma'am sa imuhang pagpangga, paghatag o guidance sa mua sa Office of the Vice President. Karong adlaw is a very special day and I hope kauban nimo ang imuhang pamilya o ang imuhang mga relatives aron i-celebrate ang very special day sa imong adlaw karon. And I am always praying for good health, your peace of mind, your abundance of blessings, and of course, your good health. Continue to be an inspiration not only to the Office of the Vice President but to the nation. Again, enjoy your very special day with your loved ones. Happy birthday, Vice President Sara Z. Duterte.
Bigyan niyo ng energy, okay? Ready, set, go. Happy birthday, Ma'am Inday! Thank you for your love for our country. We wish you good health and happiness!
Naot ko ma'am, nahatagan ka sa Ginoo ug maayong panglawas ug taas pa ng kinabuhi.
Hinaot po damo nahatagan kag uswagon pang kinabuhi.
Okay, paabot na mo sa imo ma'am nga unta makabot nimo ang malipayong kasing-kasing.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Inday!
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday